Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just wanted to do a little unboxing and reveal of the Mixed Medallions card kit that is one of the Sale-A-Bration items for Sale-A-Bration 2018 with Stampin Up. So this is one of the items that you can pick for free with every $50 order. So let's open it up together. I love these kits. Thought maybe I shouldn't talk while I was crinkling that. So I love these kits because they're so easy to put together and they're quick and simple, and I'm loving the Berry Burst colors. So I was sold just on the fact that it was Berry Burst. So you can see that there's the two different designs. So we have all of our envelopes here, and it looks like they're just regular Whisper white envelopes. And there are 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. So this kit makes 8 cards. Of course, you have little glue dots here to use to assemble it together. And then there are, ooh, these are cool. This is not how I was expecting them to be. These are the card bases. And I'm guessing, oh, that is because they're white on the inside so that you can actually write on it. And this goes down and this goes in to offer that awesome peekaboo color coming through, because otherwise it would be white and your writing would be showing through. So how cool is that? They totally thought of everything on that because I wouldn't have remembered to do that. So that is super, super cute. So of course there is the crumb cake and Berry Burst. And then of course there is Berry Burst and crumb cake. So you can see the crumb cake is the piece that goes down. And then of course there's the design for the one. And here is the design for the other. So super, super cute. So there's 4 and 4 of those. And then this is just a giant sheet with all of the greetings and all of the little embellishments. So you can layer the little flowers onto the scallops, and there's oodles of flowers to choose from, as well as oodles of greetings. So there's thank you and merci and danke. I think danke, I'm not sure. I am not very good with my other languages. So I do know that those 3 are all thank you. And then of course down here we have congratulations, and then in the 3 languages as well. So there's no stamping required, and this is one of those all-inclusive kits that's really simple to assemble together, of course, whenever you already have your glue dots. So super, super cute. This is one of the items that you can get for your Sale-A-Bration freebie when you spend $50 during Sale-A-Bration. It starts January 3rd and runs through the end of March. Of course, you can always click on the link down below to start shopping and check out what you want to get for your Sale-A-Bration goodies. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, where I'll be posting the finished product of these as well as other Sale-A-Bration items that you can earn. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.